Want to manage your business's online presence and appear in Google search results and maps? Let's walk through how to claim your Google My Business profile. It's fast and easy. Step 1. Go to google.com/business and click Manage Now. Type your business name to see if a profile already exists. If your business appears, click it. Then select Claim This Business to start the verification process. Step 2. Choose how you want to verify ownership. Google will send a code via postcard, phone, or email. Pick the method that works best for you. Step 3. Enter the code you receive to verify your business. Once verified, you'll have full access to update your details, post photos, and respond to reviews. And that's it. You now have control over your business profile and can ensure customers find accurate, up-to-date information. Like and subscribe for more quick business tips.